Namaste, my name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you colorimeter. Now let's start the topic. A colorimeter is a light sensitive device used for measuring the transmittance and absorbance of light passing through a liquid sample. The device measures the intensity or concentration of the color that develops upon introducing a specific reagent into a solution. There are two types of colorimeters: color densitometers, which measure the density of the primary colors, and color photometers, which measures the color reflection and transmittance. Then what is the design of colorimeter? The three main components of a colorimeter are a light source, a cuvette containing the sample solution, and a photocell for detecting the light pass through the solution. The instrument is also equipped with either colored filters or specific LEDs to generate color. The output from a colorimeter may be displayed by an analog or digital meter in terms of transmittance or absorbance. In addition, a colorimeter may contain a voltage regulator for protecting the instrument from fluctuation in mains voltage. Some colorimeters are portable and useful for on-site tests, while others are larger. Benchtop instruments which are useful for laboratory testings having this diagrammatic representation in which this is a cuvette holder, sample holder. There is a meter in which we get the reading. This is the pilot light. Here is the wavelength scale where we control the wavelength, and here is a light control and power switch and off. This is a schematic diagram of the components of the colorimeter. Here is a light source. Then this light is passed through the slit. There is a condenser lenses from which the light is dispersed into the, and then it is absorption cell in which it is passed through the filters. And there is a detector, which is a photocell, in which it amplifies the amplifier is there, which amplifies the data, and there is a absorbance or a display. Then what is the working principle of colorimeter? The colorimeter is basically based upon the Beers-Lambert's law, according to which the absorption of light transmitted to the medium is directly proportional to the medium concentration. In a colorimeter, a beam of light with a specific wavelength is passed through a solution via a series of lenses which navigate the colored light to the measuring device. This analyzes the color compared to an existing standard. A microprocessor then calculates the absorbance on or percent transmittance. If the concentration of the solution is greater, more light will be absorbed, which can be identified by measuring the difference between the amount of light at its origin and that after passing the solution. To determine the concentration of an unknown sample, several sample solutions of a known concentration are first prepared and tested. The concentrations are then plotted on a graph against absorbance, thereby generating a calibration curve. The results of unknown sample are compared to that of a known sample on the curve to measure the concentration. This is the principle of colorimeter. Then applications. Colorimeter are widely used to monitor the growth of a bacterial or yeast culture. They provide reliable and highly accurate results when used for assessment of color in bird plumage. They are used to measure and monitor the color in various foods and beverages, including vegetable products and sugar. Certain colorimeters can measure the colors that are used in copy machines, fax machines, and printers. Besides being used for basic research in chemistry laboratories, colorimeters have many principal applications such as testing water quality by screening chemicals such as fluorine, fluoride, cyanide, dissolved oxygen, iron, molybdenum, zinc, and hydrazine. They are also used to determine the concentration of plant nutrients such as ammonia, nitrate, phosphorus in soil, or hemoglobin in blood. Colorimetry is also used in color printing, textile manufacturing, and paint manufacturing for precise quality inspection. This is colorimeter versus spectrophotometer. Like colorimeters, spectrophotometers are used to measure the color absorbing properties of a substance. The key difference between the two is that the spectrophotometer measures the transmittance and reflectance as a function of wavelength, whereas the colorimeter measures the absorbance of specific colors. Spectrophotometers measure the transmittance and reflectance and for all colors of light and show how they vary as the color is changed. Colorimeters operate only in the visible proportion of the electromagnetic spectrum, whereas spectrophotometers work with infrared as well as visible light. Spectrophotometers will produce valid results for Beer's law and can effectively be used as colorimeters, but are much higher in cost and complexity. Hope you all are satisfied with with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box and I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.